Hey outdoor enthusiasts! Have you ever found yourself in a situation where staying warm could mean the difference between life and death? Are you preparing for your next wilderness adventure and wondering which survival blanket could be your best companion? Today, we're diving deep into the world of survival blankets, testing and comparing the top 7 options available in 2025. After months of rigorous testing in various weather conditions and environments, I'm excited to share my comprehensive findings with you. 7. EVERLIT Survival Thermal Blanket. During my extensive testing of the EVERLIT Survival Thermal Blanket, I discovered that its military-grade 12-micron mylar construction isn't just marketing hype, it's a genuine game-changer in emergency situations. The blanket performed exceptionally well in sub-zero temperatures, reflecting an impressive 90% of body heat back to the user. What truly sets this blanket apart is its thoughtful dual-sided design. The gold side, which I tested during a particularly cold night in the mountains, provided superior heat retention that kept me surprisingly comfortable despite the freezing conditions. The silver side, on the other hand, proved invaluable during hot weather, effectively reflecting sunlight and helping maintain a cooler body temperature. The waterproof capabilities of this blanket exceeded my expectations. During an unexpected downpour in the backcountry, the EVERLIT kept me completely dry, while also serving as an effective windbreak. The material's durability surprised me. Despite rough handling and multiple uses, it showed minimal wear and tear. One aspect that particularly impressed me was its compact nature. When properly folded, it takes up barely more space than a deck of cards, making it an ideal addition to any emergency kit or hiking backpack. The only minor drawback I noticed was the characteristic crinkling noise common to mylar blankets, though this is a small price to pay for its exceptional performance. 6. Chuang Thermal Blankets. The Chuang thermal blankets represent an excellent balance of functionality and portability. During my field testing across various terrains and weather conditions, these blankets consistently demonstrated reliable performance in emergency situations. Their ultra-lightweight design makes them particularly appealing for hikers and backpackers who need to minimize their load. I put these blankets through their paces in both wet and dry conditions. The waterproof coating held up admirably, keeping moisture at bay even during extended exposure to light rain. The material's strength-to-weight ratio is impressive, though I'd recommend careful handling to maximize longevity. One standout feature I discovered during testing was their exceptional visibility. The highly reflective surface made these blankets excellent signaling devices, visible from significant distances even in low-light conditions. This dual functionality as both a survival blanket and emergency signal could be crucial in rescue situations. The heat retention properties, while not quite matching the EVERLIT, proved more than adequate for emergency situations. During my overnight testing in 40 degrees Fahrenheit weather, the blanket maintained a comfortable microclimate when properly wrapped. The material does tend to make noise when moving, but this is typical of emergency blankets in this category. 5. Mart Cobra Emergency Blanket. My experience with the Mart Cobra Emergency Blanket revealed it to be a reliable performer in the mid-range category. During multiple field tests, including a simulated emergency bivouac, the blanket demonstrated impressive versatility and dependable performance. The material quality stands out immediately. It's noticeably thicker than budget options, which translates to better durability. In terms of heat retention, the Mart Cobra performs admirably. During my overnight test in early spring conditions, the blanket maintained warmth effectively when used as part of a layered system. The reflective properties worked as advertised, creating a noticeable difference in temperature inside the blanket compared to the ambient air. One of the most impressive aspects I discovered was its adaptability. Beyond its primary use as a thermal blanket, it excelled as a makeshift shelter. I tested it as a tarp shelter during light rain, and it performed remarkably well, keeping me and my gear completely dry. The corners are reinforced, which I found particularly useful when setting up temporary shelters. The blanket's reflective surface also proved highly effective for signaling purposes. During my visibility tests, it was easily spotted from over a mile away in daylight conditions. This dual functionality adds significant value to its survival utility. 4. Survive outdoors longer, SOL. The SOL blanket represents a significant leap forward in emergency blanket technology. During my extensive testing period, I found its performance to be consistently superior to standard Mylar blankets. The proprietary vacuum metallized coating technology isn't just marketing, it creates a noticeable difference in heat retention and durability. What impressed me most during cold weather testing was the blanket's ability to maintain heat without creating excessive condensation inside. During a particularly challenging night where temperatures dropped to 35 degrees Fahrenheit, the SOL blanket maintained a comfortable microclimate while remaining remarkably quiet compared to traditional emergency blankets. The tear resistance of this blanket is exceptional. During my durability tests, which included dragging it across rough terrain and using it as an emergency shelter, it showed minimal wear. The reinforced corners proved particularly valuable when setting up makeshift shelters, handling the stress of guy lines without showing signs of failure. One unique feature I appreciated was the blanket's quieter operation. While still not completely silent, it produces significantly less noise than traditional Mylar blankets when moving. This could be crucial in situations where stealth is necessary or when trying to get rest in emergency situations. 3. Arcturus Heavy-Duty Survival Blanket. Moving into the premium category, the Arcturus Heavy-Duty model sets itself apart with its exceptional build quality. After testing this blanket in various challenging conditions, including heavy rain and strong winds, I can confidently say it's worth the higher investment for serious outdoor enthusiasts. The multi-layer construction makes a noticeable difference in real-world use. During my testing in wet conditions, the outer layer proved highly water-resistant while the inner layer maintained impressive heat retention. The blanket showed no signs of delamination even after repeated use and exposure to harsh conditions. What truly sets this blanket apart is its reusability. Unlike emergency Mylar blankets that typically become compromised after 1 or 2 uses, the Arcturus Heavy Duty maintained its performance characteristics even after multiple deployments. I particularly appreciated this during a 3-day wilderness survival exercise where it served as both shelter and sleeping cover. The grommeted corners are a game-changing feature for shelter building. During my testing, these reinforced points made it significantly easier to create secure temporary shelters. The material's strength allowed for tight pitching without fear of tearing, even in strong winds. 2. JMR Wool Camping Blanket. The JMR Wool Camping Blanket brings traditional materials into the modern era with impressive results. During my extended testing period, this blanket proved its worth in ways that synthetic alternatives simply couldn't match. The natural wool construction offers a level of comfort and versatility that sets it apart from emergency blankets. One of the most impressive features I discovered was its performance when damp. Unlike synthetic materials that lose most of their insulating properties when wet, the wool maintained significant warmth even after exposure to moisture. During a particularly challenging night with heavy dew, the blanket continued to provide reliable warmth despite being slightly damp. The fire-retardant properties of this blanket add an extra layer of safety that proved valuable during campfire testing. While synthetic blankets can melt or create hazardous fumes when exposed to sparks, the JMR Wool blanket showed excellent resistance to ember burns and heat damage. The breathability of the wool construction creates a more comfortable sleeping experience during extended use. During my multi-day testing, I noticed significantly less condensation buildup compared to synthetic alternatives, making it a superior choice for longer-term survival situations. 1. Arcturus Military Wool Blanket. The pinnacle of survival blankets, the Arcturus Military Wool Blanket earned its top spot through exceptional performance in every testing category. This blanket represents the perfect fusion of traditional materials and modern manufacturing techniques, creating a truly superior survival tool. The 80% wool construction provides unmatched insulation properties while remaining breathable. During my cold weather testing, it maintained comfortable warmth even in temperatures below freezing, without the clamminess often associated with synthetic materials. The tight weave and quality construction were evident in its ability to block wind while still allowing moisture vapor to escape. Durability testing revealed impressive resistance to wear and tear. After dragging it across rough terrain, using it as a ground cloth, and exposing it to various weather conditions, the blanket showed minimal signs of wear. The reinforced edges prevented fraying, a common issue with lesser wool blankets. Perhaps most impressive was its versatility. During my month-long testing period, I used this blanket in everything from emergency shelter construction to impromptu sleeping bag replacement. Its natural fire resistance and ability to maintain warmth when damp made it invaluable in various survival scenarios. The weight and bulk might seem like disadvantages compared to emergency blankets, but the superior durability and reusability more than compensate for these factors. This is truly a buy-it-for-life product that could serve as both an emergency tool and regular camping gear. After extensive testing of these 7 survival blankets, it's clear that each serves a specific niche in the survival gear ecosystem. While the Arcturus military wool blanket stands as the overall winner for its exceptional versatility and durability, the choice of the right blanket ultimately depends on your specific needs, whether it's ultralight emergency preparedness or long-term survival capability. Remember, the best survival blanket is the one you have with you when you need it.